Hello students, today we will see the structure of nucleosome. Nucleosome, what is nucleosome? We have already studied the structure of chromosomes. Okay, structure of chromosomes. Before appearance of metaphase before appearance of metaphase in interphase, the DNA present in the nucleus becomes the linear strands, linear threads, ऐसे सीधे threads रहते in interphase. But in metaphase, this becomes coiled structure. ये ऐसे coiled होती है, ठीक है? Then again it gets highly coiled. Okay, these coils again get coiled, and this supercoiling structure or thick structure of chromatin material means DNA material is formed, which is called as chromosome. Okay, now how this structure forms? This nucleosome is the building block of the chromatin material present in the chromosomes. Okay, see here, before undergoing cell division, the cell is having linear and long DNA threads, okay, in the form of thin threads, thin धागे रहते before undergoing cell division, and these are called as chromatin material. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? chromatin material. In metaphase of cell division, this DNA is highly coiled and associated with histone proteins and exist as a thick and short bodies called as chromosomes. Okay, see here, this is the chromatin linear thread. यहाँ पे कैसा है? ये देखिए, यहाँ पे linear thread है, ये थोड़े coil हो चुके हैं. इसके भी पहले सीधे DNA रहते, long DNA. Okay, then when metaphase appears, this DNA, linear DNA or straight DNA or thin threads of DNA becomes coiled and associated with histone proteins and forms a short and thick structure which is called as chromosome. This is chromosome. Chromatin present in the chromosome is highly coiled and folded with histone proteins. See in this diagram, this is the DNA molecule. Okay, in second diagram, this is the linear DNA molecule. Okay, ऐसा zigzag arrange हुआ है, but this is the linear DNA molecule. Okay, then this linear DNA molecule associate with the histone proteins. This pink color balls are the histone protein. This DNA wrap around the histone proteins and forms the structure which is called as nucleosome. Okay, now all over the length of DNA, these nucleosomes are formed and get such sting and beaded structure. Okay, ऐसा sting, thin thread और उसको ये bead wrap हुए. Okay, histone proteins उसके around ये thin threaded DNA का wrap होता है. Okay, ये structure तैयार होता है. This is one of the structure of chromatin which is called as sting and bead structure. Okay, then after that this string and bead again get folded and compactly arranged. Okay, and this structure is called as solenoid structure. Okay, this is the 30 nanometer thick thread of DNA molecules. Okay, which are associated with histone proteins. Okay, this round diagram is the transfer section. Transfer section में ऐसे दिखते हैं. Okay, now this solenoid structure or this 30 nanometer thick thread of DNA get again folded. Okay, it forms the fold. Okay, and this structure is called as the scaffold structure. It forms the 120 nanometer thick DNA material or chromatin material, 120 nm thick thread of chromatin material. Okay, again this 120 nanometer folded, this solenoid folded or this scaffold structure again get coiled. This structure again get coiled and forms the 300 to 700 nanometer thick structure of chromatin. Oh, which is called as chromatids. Okay, see, this is the chromosome and these are the chromatids. Okay, chromosomal arm जिसको बोलते हैं ना, these are called as chromatid. This chromatid is a thick and short structure. Here, in this case, first of all, before cell division, this DNA was the long thin thread of DNA. Okay, and it is associated with this histone proteins and form the nucleosomes. And this forms the sting and bead structure. The sting and bead structure again get folded or coiled. Okay, and it forms the solenoid structure. It forms 30 nanometer thick thread. Here, thin sting and bead structure is of 11 nanometer thick. This structure folded and becomes 30 nanometer thick. Again, this solenoid structure again folded around the protein. Okay, this from the fold and it has 120 nanometer thick chromatin material. And this 120 nanometer scaffold structure again get coiled and form a thick and short chromosomes. Okay, like that. See here, this is the diagram. This diagram clear your concept. Okay, this is the thread of DNA. Okay, this is the thread of DNA before cell division. Okay, when cell division starts, this strand of सिंगल डीएनए थ्रेड. ओके, ये क्या है, सिंगल डीएनए का एक ही थ्रेड है लॉन्ग वाला. ये क्या होता है, ये थ्रेड जो है दिस सेल रैप अराउंड दी हिस्टोन प्रोटीन. ये ग्रीन कलर के हिस्टोन प्रोटीन इसके अराउंड ये रैप हो रहे हैं. ओके, और ये स्ट्रक्चर है, इसको क्या करते कहते हैं हम, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूक्लियोसोम. ओके, ऐसे बहुत सारे न्यूक्लियोसोम फॉर्म. ओके, दिस वन न्यूक्लियोसोम, सेकंड न्यूक्लियोसोम, थर्ड न्यूक्लियोसोम. ओके, सी, and it forms the thin sting and beaded structure. This is sting and beaded structure. Okay, this structure is of 11 nanometer thick. Okay, this is nothing but chromatin. Here, concept clear कीजिए. Before cell division, DNA strands are in the form of thin threads, thin and linear and long threads. वो क्या, उसको क्या कहते हैं अपन, chromatin material, or it may also called as chromatin. Okay, then after starting cell division, this chromatin material or this thin and long strand of DNA wrap around the histone protein and form the nucleosomes. Okay, and it forms the sting and bead structure. Okay, the sting and bead structure of DNA becomes 11 nanometer thick. Then after that, this sting and bead structure again get folded or coiled. Okay, it get folded and coiled, and it forms the 30 nanometer solenoid structure. This is solenoid structure. This is 30 nm thick. Okay. Then again this solenoid structure or 30 nm thick chromatin fiber, this again get folded around the protein. This is the protein strand. इसके अराउंड ऐसे बड़े बड़े फोल्ड तैयार होते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज स्कैफोल्ड स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, this scaffold structure becomes 120 nanometer long. Yeah, and this scaffold structure again get densely coiled. ये densely coil हो रहा है, and it forms the thick and short chromosome. This chromosome or this chromatid of chromosome become 700 nanometer thick. Okay, like that. See here, this is the single strand of single chromatin material before cell division, means single and linear thread of DNA. After that, when this cell division starts, this single DNA strand wrap around the histone proteins and it forms the nucleosome. This is 1, 2, 3 is the nucleosome. Okay, now after that, this nucleosome get folded and coiled. This structure get folded and coiled. Okay, this forms 30 nanometer scaffold structure. Okay, this 30 nm thick scaffold structure again get folded. ये thick structure हो गया, इसका again fold तैयार होता है. Okay, this is called as scaffold structure. और ये 120 नैनोमीटर थिक रहता है. दिस कैपल स्ट्रक्चर अगेन गेट डेंसली coiled. यहाँ पे ये डेंसली coiled हो रहा है, ये स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ पे डेंसली coiled हो रहा है, एंड इट फॉर्म्स द short and thick, very thick chromatid, 700 mm thick chromatid. Okay, now electron microscopic structure of the nucleosome. Nucleosome is consist of core particle and the DNA thread. Nucleosome consists of core particle which is made up of histone proteins and about 146 to 150 base pair segment of DNA wrapped around the core particle. It consists of the core of histone proteins. ये जो है H, H2B, H2A, ये क्या है? core proteins है. This is the core particle, and around this core particle 146 to 150 base pair long DNA wrap around this core particle. ये core particle में ये जो DNA है, ये जो wrap होता है, it forms the two turns around the core particle, and these two turns are containing 146 to 150 base pairs. यहाँ पे 146 से 150 बेस पेयर इतना लंबा डीएनए इसके अराउंड रैप होता है. ओके, इट फॉर्म द टू टर्न्स एंड अनदर हिस्टोन प्रोटीन सील दैट टर्न्स टाइटली. ये जो है ये ग्रीन कलर का, दिस इज द H1 लिंकर हिस्टोन. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज लिंकर हिस्टोन. these are the these H2A, H2B, H3, H4, then H2B, H2A, H3, H4. These are the histone proteins present in the core particle. These proteins, these histone proteins forms the core particle. How they form we will see later. Okay, then this DNA, this DNA which joins the two nucleosomes, this structure is called as nucleosome. Histone proteins and this 146 to 150 base pair length of DNA wrap around it. This is called a nucleosome. See here, this is blue, 1, 2, 3. These are three nucleosomes. Okay, the DNA which which joins the two nucleosomes ये बीच में का, this is called as the linker DNA. Okay, and DNA present or wrapped around the core particle, this is called as the core DNA. This red one, this is the core DNA. Okay, and this outer DNA is called as the linker DNA. Okay, see then core particle, how this form. Core particle is made up of octamer of histone protein molecules. Octamer means the 8 molecules. Okay, 8 molecules which are isomeric in structure. वो chemistry का part है. We only understand octamer, 8 molecules of proteins. 8 histone protein molecules arranged systematically and forms the octamer. Okay, histone proteins are named H2, H3, H2A, H2B forms the octamer of nucleosomes. See here, H3, H4, H2A and HB. These are the histone protein molecules. This forms the octamer of core particle. Okay, this joins with each other or forms the bond with each other and forms the core particle. Actually, H3, H4 histone molecules forms two dimers. That is H3, H4 dimer and second H3, H4 dimer. This H3 and H4 histone proteins form the two dimers, H3, H4, and second is the H4, H3. Okay, these are the isomeric molecules, H3, H4, H4, H3. Means these two molecules form the two dimers, means molecules which are having two molecules, which are made up of two molecules. Okay, dimer means, and which are isomeric in structure. This H2A, H2B also forms two dimers, H2A, H2B, H2A, H2B, or H2B, H2E. These are isomeric. In this way, it forms the four dimers, and this four dimers forms the attach and forms the core particle. See here, this is H2A, H2B. Okay, and attached with this H4, H3. Okay, this is H2B, H2A, and it is attached with just 3H4, and all the molecules are attached with each other and it forms the octamer. Okay, this structure is called as the core particle. Then DNA thread wrap around the core particle in two turns, and these two turns are sealed by the another histone protein called as H1 histone. See here, these DNA molecules having 146 to 150 base pair length. Okay, means वो DNA molecule की length कितनी है, 146 to 150 base pair है उस पे, उतनी length, that length of DNA molecule wrap and form two turns around the core particle. Okay, and that DNA threads which forms the wrap or which wrap around the core particle are called as the core DNA. Okay, see here, this is the DNA. This DNA wrap and forms two turn around this core particle. Then next, this DNA also form two turns, and this also form the two turns. Okay, like this, it forms the bead and sting structure, and it when this nucleosome forms in between the DNA thread, then it is seen like a sting and bead structure. Means ऐसा धागा है और उस पे ऐसे thick beads है. Hence it is called as sting and bead structure. Okay, see here. DNA thread wrap around the core particle in two turns, and these turns are sealed by the another histone protein H1. These two turns are sealed by the another histone protein, that is H1 protein, which is called as linker histone. This green color, ये green color के histone protein ने क्या किया, ये जो ascending and descending दोनों भी DNA strand है after completing their turn, this protein molecule sealed this or joins this two turns of DNA thread. Okay, hence this is called as linker histone. Now core DNA, the linear DNA strand wrap and form two turns around the core particle. Okay, we have seen nearby 146 to 150 base pair segment of DNA thread wrap around the core particle. The segment of DNA wrap around the core particle is called as core DNA. This is the core DNA. These positively charged residues of histone proteins present at peripheral positions where they can form ionic interactions or salt bridges with phosphate groups of DNA molecules. Positively charged residues of histone proteins. These histone proteins have the positively charged residues at their outside of their molecules. ये जो molecule है, molecule के outside पे क्या रहता है, ऐसे positively charged, ऐसे positively charged ions रहते हैं. Okay, and it attaches the negatively charged DNA molecule. Okay, DNA strands become negatively charged, where they can ionic interaction and where they form the salt bridges with phosphate groups of the DNA molecule. DNA molecule contains the phosphate group, PO4 group, which is negative in nature. Okay, these phosphate groups attach with the positive groups of that histone proteins. Hence, these DNA molecules attach with the remains attached with that core particle. हिस्टोन प्रोटीन को क्या रहते हैं, पॉजिटिव मॉलिक्यूल्स रहते हैं आउटसाइड में इसके, ये मॉलिक्यूल के बराबर है, पॉजिटिव एटम्स रहते हैं और पॉजिटिव आयंस रहते हैं, और ये जो डीएनए है, डीएनए में PO4 molecules रहते हैं which are negative in nature. Hence, this positive and negative molecules becomes attached with each other like that. Then linker DNA, the ends of wrapped segment around the core particle are tightly sealed by the histone protein H1. Protein H1 is called as the linker protein. Ascending and descending parts of DNA thread which joins the nucleosome is called as linker DNA. See here, this ascending part and descending part. Okay, means अंदर जाने वाला part और बाहर निकल टर्न होके बाहर निकलने वाला पार्ट वो बेड के. These are ascending and descending DNA. This is ascending, this is descending. And this linear thread of or thin thread of DNA is called as linker DNA. और जो DNA रैप हुआ है इसके अराउंड, हिस्टोन के अराउंड, उसको कहते हैं कोर DNA. ओके. नाउ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ थिक क्रोमोसोम हमने पहले देखा है. द लिनियर DNA रैप अराउंड द ऑक्टेमर प्रोटीन्स, octamer histones, and it forms a beaded string structure. See in this first diagram. This linear or thin strand of DNA forms wrap around the histone proteins and forms the sting and beaded structure. Okay, this sting and beaded structure measures about the 11 nanometer in diameter. Okay, which is called as chromatosomes. This is called as chromatosomes. Then further coiling and folding of beaded structure forms 30 nanometer diameter thick thread of chromatin called as solenoid structure. The sting and bead structure again get folded and coiled and it forms the 30 nm diameter thick thread. This is 30 nm diameter thick thread which is called as solenoid structure. Okay. In exam, one may ask about the write notes on solenoid structure or write notes on scaffold structure. Okay. This solenoid structure. Then again folding of solenoid structure of chromatin forms the scaffold structure. Okay. Again it forms the scaffold structure. This is 120 nanometer fiber. Okay, this 30 nm fiber, this is wrong. Okay, this is 120 nanometer thick structure. This is the scaffold structure. This solenoid structure of thick thread fold around the proteins. Okay, which are present in the nucleus, and it forms the 120 nanometer thick fiber. And this 120 nanometer thick fiber again get densely folded and it forms the chromosome or chromatids of chromosome. This is the chromosome. Okay, this is about the structure of nucleosome. See here. Okay, here clearly mentioned in the diagram. This is DNA. Okay, DNA molecule. This is the linear strand of DNA. Okay, ये लॉन्ग दिखना चाहिए इसलिए ऐसा zigzag दिखा है. Okay, this is linear strand of DNA. This linear strand of DNA wrap around the histone protein. Okay, along its length, and it forms the nucleosomes. Okay, along its length, it forms the thousands of nucleosomes, and it forms the sting and beaded structure like this. Okay, which is called as chromatosomes. Okay, this structure is called as chromatosome. Then this chromatosome structure again get coiled and folded, and it forms the solenoid structure. Okay, this bead and string structure coiled and folded and forms the 30 nm thick thread of that chromatin, which is called as solenoid structure. This is about the transverse section. ऐसे folds होते हैं. ठीक है. Then this 30 nm solenoid structure of chromatin again get folded around the protein. Protein के around ये और fold form करते हैं and it forms the 120 nanometer thick structure of chromatin. इसका 120 nanometer thick string तैयार करते हैं. Okay, and this is called as scaffold structure. And this 120 nanometer thick scaffold structure of chromatin again get densely coiled and it forms the 700 nanometer, 300 to 700 nanometer thick chromatids. Okay, this is chromatid. This is whole chromosome and this is chromatid. Okay, this is one chromatid, this is another chromatid. And this whole chromosomes is of the 1400 nanometer in diameter. Okay, this is about the structure of nucleosome. Okay, rest of part we will see in next lecture.